This program is sponsored by
Welcome guys, you're watching Filmy Time. This is me, Vijay Muskan, and तपाईँलाई थाहा नै छ each and every episode मा हामी हाम्रो local artist, local talented filmmakerहरूको परिचय तपाईहरुमा चाहिँ राख्दै आइरहेका छौं भनेर र आजको हाम्रो गेस्ट हुनुहुन्छ दोप्पु द किपरको डाइरेक्टर मिस्टर दावा लेप्चा अनि साथै सिनेमाटोग्राफर मिस्टर तापजेन लेप्चा। त आउनुहोस् धोप्पुको कुरा नै सुनौं उहाँको मुखबाट। यो फिल्म बनाउनु उहाँले कतिको स्ट्रगल गर्नुभयो अनि फिल्म बनाउँदा के कस्तो घटनाहरू घट्यो या घटेन, त आउनुहोस् उहाँकै मुखबाट सुनौं। हेलो एभ्रिवान, आजको हाम्रो गेस्ट हुनुहुन्छ दोप्पु द किपरको डाइरेक्टर मिस्टर दावा लेप्चा, साथै सिनेमाटोग्राफर तापजेन लेप्चा पनि हुनुहुन्छ। हजुरहरूलाई स्वागत छ।
Thank you so much.
So how you guys are feeling? I mean, like you know, तपाईहरुको मुभी एकदमै सक्सेसफुल भएर गइरहेको छ है। So
Well, it's great feeling, you know, it's great to know that our film is working out. Something which we didn't expect, but राम्रो चलिरहेको छ अहिले, and a lot of support, a lot of good feedbacks, and you know, and also good, good positive criticism. So it's something which we had hoped for, and it's coming in. So it's really great. We are happy about it.
मेन रिजन लाइक मुभी कुनै पनि बनाउनुमा एउटा रिजन त हुन्छै हुन्छ obviously. So what was the main reason?
The main reason, I guess, is well, I think everyone needs to earn some money, you know, in life. So I think that's the main reason, you know.
Yeah.
My interest lies, I mean, we are interested in making film and in this line of work, so that's why we have to do this. So yeah, so we had been planning and talking about making a film all these years, and then eventually, so just a year ago, we started on that project, and so here we are today, and you know, on this program talking about it, and it's really great. Thanks so much.
Oh, what was the inspiration?
In my case, it's like I wanted to make a film, and I wanted to make a film that would reflect I mean, you know, I guess it's part of Sikkim, you know, and so my film is based very very intrinsically with the state and the story, and you know, in the folklore and all that stuff. So with that, so I guess that's what it is. So
So उहाँलाई म क्वेसन गर्न चाहन्छु है, अब बिङ अ सिनेमाटोग्राफर है, हाउ तपाईको एक्सपिरियन्स अनि डिफिकल्टिज लाइक जंगलमा सुट गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के कस्तो भयो हाम्रो व्युअर्ससँग शेयर गर्नुहोस्।
अब एक्सपिरियन्स त भनेपछि लाइक टु बी अनेस्ट दिस द फर्स्ट फिल्म, so from day one begin like it was like a tough time, or day one begin I was having the experience now.
यो मुभी कम्प्लिट हुनुमा चाहिँ टोटल कति इयर्स या मन्थ कति लाग्यो?
I think तपाईँको 1 वर्ष 4 महिना 1 and 4 months.
Again, the post-production part was another like tricky part, because we, again, to be honest, we had no proper studio, so we were doing all the post-production in like my residence place. I have 2 rooms. एउटा जग्गा चाहिँ खाली गरेर चाहिँ like अब त्यही we all set up there, but it's an open. There's no soundproof, nothing and all. And अब फेरि विचार अमगिल, the one who was working on the sound, he was again having a tough time because there was no soundproof. Openly we had to wait like राति बेलुका गइसकेर when everybody used to sleep, then we used to get ready. Okay, then
that was really that was a very tough time. It was like we were about to start recording or something, and then top floor ले मसला पिस्दा छ, उता प्रेसर कुकर बच्चा So that way we had to it. And another funny thing was like sometimes we had to like stop work for 2 or 3 days because the next door, I mean the next building, the lamas would start their pujas. So it's like chang chang dung dung, so
many disturbances.
and they continue for, so we can't work. So we had to think about something else to do. So we had to innovate like this. So it was
adjusting our timings and all.
Okay, your movies ma the heri say like Lepcha language and English ma translate garnu bhai. So what was the main motive? Like
the story itself is such a way that it's locally based story, but with the international, appeal. So that's what I have aimed, and that's what we have done. And and on top of that, the character who the male lead character, she's from outside, and she has come as a research, scholar and things like this. So that's why. That character needed that kind of portrayal, and then also in our own, on the other aspect, it was like we are aiming for a international audience kind of, that is always there because it's here the movie, yeah, it will work. I know we have a market, but then how long can it, go on? So that is also there. That's what we have aimed. So and then we have the lecture and the English, and that's also part of the plot of the movie actually, how are they, there have been a lot of comments, people asking right in the beginning, how are they understanding? English, how are they understanding? So that is one part of the film, just to keep the curiosity, and the main character, the Dogbu, he understands it because he is supposed to be a kind of a supernatural being, so he can understand kind of thing. And also the entire, the film, until the girl, when she returns to the village, until that point of the film, it's like she's going through a kind of a dream kind of experience. So it's like you understand that it's in a dream. So in a dream you understand, you have all sorts of things, so unbelievable things. So that's what it is, the entire thing in the film. So it's about the language, the literature and the English. And yes, of course, and it's also to do with the aim and the hope to catch a wider international audience, whatever.
So एउटा good director हुनुमा है के knowledge हुनुको आवश्यकता छ?
Good director.
Yeah, obviously you are.
I think, yeah. Well, actually, I wanted to do that, and then I went for direction course and all that long time back. So, but well, you have to be a good, I guess, a good storyteller. You have to have that knowledge in making the film in terms of the story. You should be able to choose good story. You should be able to find out good stories or make up good stories. This story I made it myself, and then of course the script. You have to understand the script. You have to know how to make a good script, I think. And then of course you need to have. Well, it's like all the ingredients that goes into making a good film, So there's so many, So I think it depends on from individual to individual, A good director will automatically become a good director. He'll make good film. Important than that is understanding how you're going to show, what are you going to show within those frames. So if that is the most important thing, I think that's what we have to concentrate on, and then we'll tell the story frame by frame in that sense, But if you are, going for too much of, paraphernalias, this, that, getting, then I think you get sort of, distracted. It's great to work with a big production, huge production. Of course, we see them working with so many crews, so many this, that, all that. But this film, it's like kind of I would boldly say it's kind of new kind of a filmmaking that we have, created, because we didn't have anything in terms of equipment. We just had that one small Canon 5D Mark III, just one, and 2 lens, no lights, never. It was all kerosene, pulto, and daura,
Yeah.
But then the shots have come out well in the evening, and he has done a great job with that. And then, stand, we had a quite a shaky, rickety stand, most of the shots are handheld actually. Most of the handheld, that's the advantage of using a small whatever. But then still, and then makeup, we don't even have a makeup team, you know. It was like anybody, anyone coming in, you know. Sometimes I'm doing it, sometimes he's doing it, sometimes somebody, whoever is free, and we didn't have
So
that.
overall teamwork.
Yeah, it was like that. And of course, there are those behind the scenes shots. We needed wind, breeze. There are shots that we took because there was, when the wind was, breeze was there, and then it stopped. No hawa. So we had to wait, nothing's happening. Only then we had to collect the nanglos and the dakhanis tultulo, and we had to, hamkono. So that's how we created these effects. Whatever. And then in terms, that's how we made this film. Our makeups were like Fevicol and
Fevicol, charcoal, and Khanitel, yeah.
Even mobile.
Mobile. Yeah, like we had to apply, and like we wanted the creature to be really dark on the screen. So again, the tricky part was how do I make this creature look dark when there is no light? Again, like balancing everything out, like it was like again a bit tough. Again, like
We followed the script. We did innovate the script also. We added scenes and deducted scenes and things like that. Of course, there was places where we had to do. We had scenes which we reshot. Four times also, and then because we were not satisfied. But then that's how we did it. We didn't have anything. Props, everything was provided by whoever was handy. So that's how we did it. So in a way we have done, and post-production, everyone talks about big here and there, but we have done it in his home studio, whatever, one computer, two computer. One computer was so loaded up that we were so worried that it was going to crash at the last moment, and somebody donated a computer. So that's how we actually completed the film. We had, that's how we made this film, and I'm so happy that the result that we see right on the screen, it's unbelievable actually. Everybody thinks that we have done we had a great kind of facilities, whereas we worked in such a condition, So, I think the bottom line is your interest, your commitment, and your interest to do the things in the right, proper way. So that is more important than, I think, So we did this film we started with a small budget, and along the way people contributed. And so basically it's like, contributed kind of a funding, crowdfunding, So that's how we did it. So in a way, I've said it before also, like, it's your interest, your commitment, and a good story, good script, and a good team. That's what is really needed. So we don't really have to think about all the time, big places, Mumbai, Kathmandu, and all that stuff. We can do it here. Our film is a very, very Sikkimese stuff. Right in the village, we have done it. So it's like, and one plus point about our team is our actors, everyone behind the scene, from director to the camera, all of us grew up in the village. So we have all this experience, So we had no, yes, we had no kiskis about, So juga sanga sutong ne kam thena, like Tokyo, kiki, no problem. Pani pori busy raku, that's no problem. So it's like that's how we were comfortable with, every one of us, both the actors, lead actors, and also the support team, and all of us, Island Tavala, if you ask us to gas kat jata, we can do it very nicely, So this is the kind of team we are. So basically all Basti categories we made the film. So we are glad that now when we look at this, that almost 70 mm, and you see our work and everyone appreciating, and it's really, really satisfying, and it's really nice. And I hope that a lot of people, a lot of other young filmmakers or any other people will sort of get some inspiration, get some idea, and do it. So, and yes, that's what
Yeah. Okay, गान्तोकमा त रिलिज भइसक्यो यो मुभी है. सो अरु कुन पार्टमा तपाईले रिलिज गर्न सोच्नु भएको छ?
So we are looking for about distributors, then we'll be sending it to some our festivals. We are doing that, And of course, wherever we can take it, we are ready to do it and take it to Nepal also, and Bengal, Northeast, and wherever, even in the cities multiplexes, where if it works, then we will do that. And if needed, if we have to dub in other language, we are ready to do that also. So along the way, we'll just see how it works. So yeah, that's how we are going to be. If we ask to do it in Hindi, we'll do it. If we ask to do it in Nepali, we'll do it. You know, so we are ready to do that, so that, you know, we can take it to other audience. Like anyway, our film doesn't need actually any language dubbing and all that. It's not really a hard, pura सोच्नु पर्ने खालको film पनि होइन. It's like a simple storyline and all that. So
यो फिल्म सक्सेसफुल हुनुको क्रेडिट तपाईँ कसलाई दिनुहुन्छ?
credit from me, I give my credit to my brother, cameraman, you know, and my sound music composer, director, Ongel. He's not here, he's in Gujarat right now. I mean, they too work like donkeys, and they really made things happen, you know. All the images and the wonderful sound that the audience are experiencing in the hall, it's because of their commitment, their work. And of course, I mean, I have my vision. I do tell them to do this, that, you know. And of course, all the team, all the members, of course, the two lead actors, they have done a wonderful job. The first thing I told them when I met them was, don't expect any star treatment. So, you know, that's the first warning I gave them, and they lived up to it also. Every one of us, like, so it's like in others should, I mean, in other film team or other bigger productions, we have 4 or 5 people running to you after a shot, you know, somebody bringing tea or somebody doing that. But in ours though, nothing like that. So it was like we had this rain shots, and which are our lead actress, you know, both of them, calm down. LCD, nobody's running to them with blanket or towel. So that's how we made the film, and that's how they have done it, you know. I mean, you know, and that the result, you see it on the screen, you know. So that's the best thing, and so I really give credit to everyone. So
one thing I remember was like during the shot, like Adam Dawa told me, like Takzim, like I think it would be better if we get the shot from on high angle. And again, okay, Adam, but again, then like due to lack of equipment, we didn't have the crane, dolly, whatever, like we didn't have. So that, like, we were looking for a tree to climb up. Then we selected one.
So our crane was like the trees and branches and the rocks, and, you know, we have the shots where, I mean, these guys, they had to climb up the tree, and then we had these characters coming up. So we have no crane. So basically, our film has been innovation and adaptation, you know, to the situation, and you know, since we didn't have all the facilities. So that's why I keep saying this film is a new kind of filmmaking that we have started, where you don't worry about big studios, big whatever. You just have to do it, innovate and adapt, you know, sort of, you know, really kind of a new kind of guerrilla, you know, filmmaking kind of thing. So yeah, that's what. So
the best lucky thing was, I think, nothing happened during the shoot, because in terms of safety also, there was no safety first thing. Luckily, nothing happened.
But nothing happened because all of us were like, as I said, all of us, we grew up ghas cutting, so that's why. So daura tipping and all that, you know. So so we I mean, you know, so I mean, we grew up like that, so we are also used to all that. So a little bit of this and that doesn't matter. Otherwise, you know, you have to worry about. I don't know.
That's what at the end, like what we used to do evening, like we used to sit and like check all the files and all. Like, that's fine. If the work like file was like okay, then like okay, everything we used to forget, like whatever happened during the daytime, we'll forget that. Footage has come out good, nice.
I remember one shot. Kiki, she had to dodge, kind of dodge, and then she was too much into the shot or what? She just hit her head on the stone, no?
Oh.
She had a cut over here. And all of us were, instead of applying first aid or whatever, we were all laughing and making fun of her, you know. She was, poor thing, she was wet and all that, and So you know,
It's a part of the.
so everything was and Lakpa. There's a shot where we had to jump, down. There's a shot, and it wasn't coming well.
15 times.
So he had to jump, and we were also like, thora murkha, yeah. Jumping, making him jump like anything on the rock, from up.
Kept sofa.
Beside, at the end he was like, and in the evening he was, oh, Anam, mero paita. And there's a shot where you can see the trailer that you bruised on in his hand. That's because he had to. There's a shot where he's scrambling across the rock, so we had to make him do all that so many times. And on top of it was hot day, and rough surface. So bizarre, he was all the time doing that. By the end of the day, it was like he had all the blisters and turning.
Another too dangerous shot because the rock was around almost 80 degrees. And like Anumdawa said, Acha, Takzat, I need a shot from here. Again, like I was scratching my, I don't know, really don't know how to take a shot from it. Then again, okay, we took the film. Then when we were like somewhere up in the middle of the cliff, then we told, okay, we selected our angle and all. Like, then we took the shot, like Dogbu, the main character, he was running diagonally. So again, that was again very, if something had happened, or one of them had put up slip, then I think that
All of us could have come down eventually. But but then just like I said before, we all grew up in the village, so it's no problem. So.
Okay, so lastly, what would you like to say to our viewers?
Viewers, though, well, of course, we would like people to come and watch this film. It is one of, well, I think it's one film that is really a Sikkimese stuff, and people, most people say it's only Lepcha and all that. It's not Lepcha. It is in the Lepcha language, yes, because I'm a Lepcha, and it is based on the Lepcha folklore and it's all that also a little bit. So, but overall, it is a Sikkimese film, and everyone should be proud of it, and then everyone should participate and watch this film. And yes, I would request everyone to come and watch our film. It's really it's like somebody had written on Facebook. It's almost as good as any other any other foreign production, I guess. So yeah, so I would like to request everyone to come and watch our film. It's running for another week, another 1 week. So. It would be really great to see you all, come and participate and watch this film. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks so much. Yes.
And lots of best wishes.